Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question paper for the post of laboratory attendant. CCR is stand for Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Science. Here total question 100. Each question carries 1 mark. There is no negative marking. Okay, you can pause this video for giving answers of particular questions in comment section. Let's start. Question first. Bar is the SI unit of option A temperature, option B heat, option C atmospheric pressure, option D current. I'm waiting for your answer. The correct answer is option C atmospheric pressure. Now second question, which one of the following is not a route of drug administration? Option A intravenous, option B oral, option C inhalation, option D dissolution. I'm waiting for your answer. Answer is option D dissolution. Third, glycogen is the storage form of dash in the body. Option A protein, option B carbohydrate, option C lipid, D none of the above. Give me your answers. Third question is glycogen is a storage form of in the body. Option A protein, option B carbohydrate, option C lipids, option D none of the above. The answer is carbohydrate, option B. Now fourth question. When the tablet is crushed, surface area occupied by the particle is option A increased, option B decreased, option C doesn't change, option D cannot be predicted. The answer is increased, option A. Question 5. Enterokinase helps in the conversion of dash. Option A lactose to sucrose, option B trypsinogen into trypsin, option C pepsinogen into pepsin, option D protein into polypeptide. The answer is trypsinogen into trypsin. The next question is 6. Inhaler is the equipment used against option A infections in nose, option B infection is in eye, option C both nasal and eye infection, option D in skin infection. Answer is infection in nose, option A. 7th, the branch of medicine that deals with health and care of old people is option A epidemiology, option C gynecology, option C cardiology, option D geriatrics. Answer is option D geriatrics. The next question is 8. Proteins are made up of option A amino acids, option B aromatic acids, option C aliphatic acids, option D fatty acids. Guess the answer. The correct answer is amino acids, option A. Now the next question 9. Dietary fats are transported as option A chylomicrons, option B liposomes, option C lipid globules, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A chylomicrons. The next 10th question is dash is used as an anticoagulant. What is anticoagulant? Anticoagulant is a chemical liquid solution which prevents the clotting of blood. Option A albumin, option B heparin, option C cephalin, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B heparin. The next question 11. Hypoxia is the term used to indicate the reduced level of option A hemoglobin, option B heparin, option C oxygen, and option D blood pressure. The correct answer is C oxygen. Next question number 12. 11th question is hypoxia is the term used to indicate the reduced level of option A hemoglobin, option B heparin, option C oxygen, and option D blood pressure. Hypoxia is very important term which is widely used in our medical line. The answer is oxygen, option C. Next question number 12. Which organelle can be viewed by light microscope? Option A ribosome, option B endoplasmic reticulum, option C mitochondria, and option D none of the above. The correct answer is C, option C mitochondria. The next question, question number 13. When a substance exists in more than one crystalline form, it is known as option A crystallization, option B polymorphism, option C amorphism, and option D anisotropy. The correct answer is option B polymorphism. The next 14th question is buffer solution is option A protein. Buffer solution is option A changing color when changing pH, option B weak acid plus weak base, option C resist acidic pH, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B weak acid plus weak base. Now next question 15. Sublimation is a process where option A solid changes into liquid form, option B liquid changes into vapor form, option C liquid changes to vapor form, option D vapor changes to liquid form. Guess the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Solid changes into vapor form, that is sublimation. Now, question number 16. Which of the following is a source of medicine? Option A, plants. Option B, fish oil. Option C, marine sources. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Because plants, fish oil and marine sources all are used to make medicines. Now the next 17th question, which is a master endocrine gland of the body? Option A, thyroid. Option B, pituitary. Option C, pancreas. And option D, adrenal. Give your answer here. The correct answer is option B, pituitary. The next 18th question, which of the following is the ultimate source of energy for us? Option A, LPG. Option B, nuclear. And option C, CNG. And option D, solar. Question number 18. Which of the following is the ultimate source of energy for us? Option A, LPG. Option B, nuclear. Option C, CNG. And option D, solar. The correct answer is here option D, solar. Next question number 19. Before starting question number 19, tell me the full form of LPG and CNG. LPG stand for liquid petroleum gas and CNG stand for compressed natural gas. Next, question number 19. Gastric disease are related to. Gastric disease are related to option A, stomach, option B, intestine, option C, liver, and option D, lung. Very easy question. The correct answer is stomach, option A. Next question 20. What fruit grow underground? Option A, potato. Option B, peanut. Option C, carrot. Option D, onion. The correct answer is option B, peanut. Question 21. BCG vaccination is injected to get immunity from. Option A, malaria. Option B, filaria. Option C, tuberculosis. And option D, measles. The correct answer is option C, tuberculosis. Tell me the full form of BCG vaccination. BCG stand for Bacillus calmette guerin. The next question number 22. Alcohol produces first A, cirrhosis of liver. Option B, cancer of pancreas. Option C, drug dependence. Option D, renal stone. The correct answer option A, cirrhosis of liver. Next, question number 23. The biogas used for cooking is a mixture of methane and dash. Option A, nitrogen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. And option D, all of the above. Tell me the answer. The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. The next 24th question. Centromere is a constituent of option A ribosome, option B ER. ER stand for endoplasmic reticulum. Option C mitochondrion. Option D chromosome. The main answer is option D chromosome. Okay. The next 25th question. Chemical reagents or both cultures should be pipetted by dash. Option A mouth, option B ear, option C pipette, and option D nose. The correct answer is option C pipette. Next question number 26. Which gas is used in making of vanaspati ghee from vegetable oils? Option A nitrogen, option 2 nitroxide, option C hydrogen, and option D neon. The correct answer is hydrogen. Next question number 27. After a biohazard spill is covered with the paper, towels and disinfected solution, it must sit for dash minutes. Option A 5, option B 30, option C 60, and option D 20. The correct answer is option B 30 minutes. Option 20. Question number 28. Dash is needed as a source of nutrient for the growth and reproduction of microbes. Option A pathogens, option B bacteria, option C reagents, and option D media. Guess the answer. The correct option is D of media. Next, question number 29. To prevent the contamination of microscopes and surrounding areas, disinfected clean used slides with option A 70% ethanol and lens paper, option B acetone and lens paper, option C 5% methylene blue and lens paper, and option D water and lens paper. Think and speak. The correct option is A 70% ethanol and lens paper. Next, question number 30. What are the types of centrifuges? Option A horizontal rotor, option B fixed angle, option C and option D all of the above. The correct option is all of the above, option D. Next, question number 31. What should be used in water bath? Option A tap water, option B boiled water, option C distilled water, option D white water. The correct answer is option D purified water. Question number 32. Why it is important to monitor temperature of certain lab refrigerators? Option A to maintain integrity of product store. Some fluctuations is allowed and should not raise alarm. Option C, your lunch doesn't spoil and create outbreak of salmonella. And option D, all of the above. Think and speak the correct answer. The correct option is A, to maintain integrity of product store. Question number 33. What chemical is used in solar cell? Option A, calcium. Option B, potassium. Option C, cadmium. And option D, sodium. The correct answer is option C, cadmium. Question number 34. Name the pigment which is responsible for the yellow color of leaves in autumn and orange color of carrots. Option A, phycobilins. Option C, chlorophyll. Option C, carotenoids. And option D, none of the above. Tell the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, carotenoids. 35th question. The gas evolved during respiration is option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, nitrogen. And option D, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Option D. Next, question number 36. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? Option A, sulfur. Option B, oxygen. Option C, nitrogen. And option D, iodine. The correct answer is option D, iodine. Next, question number 37. Tyndall effect is dash property of colloids. Option A, kinetic. Option B, electrical. Option C, optical. And option D, chemical. Very common question. The correct answer is option C, optical. Now, next, question number 38. Cold sterilization refers to preservation of food by option A, radiation. Option B, refrigeration. Option C, dehydration. And option D, all of the above. Think and speak. The correct answer is option A, radiation. Next, question number 39. Atomic spectrum should be option A, pure line spectrum. B, emission band spectrum. Option C, absorption line spectrum. And option D, absorption band spectrum. The correct answer is option A, pure line spectrum. Next, question number 40. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in this is very easy question because of latest question. Option A, Beijing. Option B, Shanghai. Option C, Taiwan. Option D, Wuhan. The correct answer is option D, Wuhan. Question number 41. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as option A, uniprocess. Option B, multiprocessor. Option C, multi-threaded. And option D, multi-programming. The correct answer is option B, multiprocessor. Now, next question number 42. MS Word is an example of dash. Option A, an operating system, a processing device, application software, an input device. Guess the answer? The correct answer is option C, application software. Next, question number 43. Which of the following are components of central processing unit CPU? Option A, arithmetic logic unit mouse. Option B, arithmetic logic unit control unit. Option C, arithmetic logic unit integrated circuits. And option D, control unit and monitor. Think and speak the correct answer. Is option B, arithmetic logic unit control unit. Now the question number 44. An error in computer is known as option A, icon, option B, bug, option C, both of above, and option D, none of above. The correct answer is option B, bug. Question number 45. Dash are software which is used to do a particular task. For option A, operating system, option B, program, option C, data, and option D, software. The correct answer is option B, program. Next, question number 46. This is very easy question. WW stands for option A, World Whole Web, option B, Wide World Web, option C, Web Worldwide, and option D, World Wide Web. Think and speak the correct answer. Option D, World Wide Web is the correct answer. Next question number 47. Which number is greater than -1? Option A, -2, option B, -10, option C, -3, and option D, 0. The correct answer is 0. Next, question number 48. Spreading of disease worldwide is known as option A, epidemic, option B, endemic, option C, pandemic, and option D, none of above. This is very common question. Tell the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, pandemic. Next, question number 49. The temperature maintained in cryostat is option A, 10 degrees Celsius, option B, 20 degrees Celsius, option C, 30 degrees Celsius, and option D, 40 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option B, 20 degrees Celsius. Question number 50. The first general elections under the Indian Constitution were held in dash. Option A, 1948, option B, 1957, and option C 1952, and the last is option D 1950. The correct answer is option C 1952. Here we have completed total question 50. The next question we will do in our next video.